Hey there, Dotson Geist with MarineMax here in Charleston. Today I want to show you guys a new in-stock 17 Montauk that just arrived. This is a Boston whaler. You'll see she's in the white hull color with the chrome and silver accents. White rub rail with stainless steel insert. We've got the high rails in the back, low rails in the front because we have this one equipped with a trolling motor panel. She is equipped with bow cushions. Got the teak package as well. Give it a little classic whaler look. Comes standard with the spare tire as well as the pivoting tongue. And on the back here, we've got the aft jump seats that go with that cushion package and that bow cushion in the front, as well as the upgraded 115 for Mercury. At the helm, we have the 9-inch Simrad display, so that's GPS as well as sonar. We have the live well underneath the leaning post. We have the tackle storage, fishing package with the rod racks in front of the bow, and as well as a jail audio stereo system with a Fusion head unit. If you guys have any questions about this boat or want to come see it in person, feel free to call us at 843-747-1889. Thanks again for watching.